said hot, it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper.
Pepper bun me already. Pepper bun me. Every time pepper bun me.
Today, guys, I want to introduce to you again Papa Harry, and I'm doing a little video with Papa Harry, asking him some questions that I never asked him before.
I know what she asked me.
So, it's gonna be a little bit spicy, so I'm not gonna make it too hard for him, but I'm just gonna ask him some questions that I never asked him before. So guys, before we get into this video, I want you guys to smash the like button and hit that post notification belly things of yours. And for this video, Papa Harry, how much views you think we should get on this video? Would you like on this video?
Well, you see, if you are going, give me 30k and me I work with that.
Okay.
Don't ask for too much.
Okay, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna jump into my questions that I'm gonna ask him that I never asked him before. Okay, Papa Harry, my first question that I have to ask you.
Joe.
Do you enjoy being with me for all the years that we've been together?
Yes, honey. Every day, every minute, every hour, every second, I enjoy it. That's why I'm there now.
Okay.
Not a problem with you. Never have a problem with you.
Okay, Papa Harry, my next question for you is this. Have you ever checked my phone when I'm not around?
First of all, I can't even open your phone, so I don't know where I go check. I can't even open it. I don't know if you open your phone, honey.
You don't know?
No, I don't know if you remember. Because time I come to say, honey, open this for me.
Okay.
Not a time for that, honey. It's about trusting if me can't trust you with the everyday movement, then it not gonna work, honey.
Okay, alright, well that's good, alright. Okay, my next question is this. This one is very spicy.
Bonnet pepper.
Well, it's hotter than a Scotch bonnet pepper.
Wow.
And this is it.
I'm not afraid of nothing.
Do I still get you in the mood?
You're talking about, honey. Can I idiot question that? What kind of question that?
I'm just asking you, I just want to know if I still get you in the mood. Is it a yes or no or whatever
From
the
me
case
see
might-
you as me say, me ready. So what kind of mood? From me see you me in the mood. All when you're not even look for me. Me in the mood. Ever in the mood.
Okay, so where me's concerned, you're always in the mood.
Scotch bonnet pepper we are talking about, when that bun you, So me ever in your mood, honey. We are talking about idiot questions. But go on. Love that still. Nah man, we are talking about, honey. You're fire every time for me.
Okay, so this, alright, so this is just the Scotch bonnet fire for you.
You're just a fire for me.
Okay, suppose you have to start your life all over again. If you have to start your life all over again, which career part would you take? What kind of career would you choose to?
I think would be an electrician, because for them work kind of less strenuous on the body, So yeah,
well,
maybe an electrician.
well, that's not bad. That can take care of your
And
family.
that can take care of my family.
Okay.
So that would
Okay. My next question is this. What is your favorite body part of mine? My body. What is the favorite part of my body you love?
Only, this is some of them questions there, because me I go tell you say, you love the whole of your body, and you tell me say you need one part.
So you can't give me one part? When me doing smart enough.
And he's almost also a man. I have good pretty face. You know me love the pretty face them. So now you tell me to pick one.
Okay, so we
Nothing in life is through one channel.
Okay, so
many things make up one thing.
okay, so you love the whole body.
The whole you know what, to tell the truth?
Yes.
The whole entire body. Anything.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay.
Bandy leg on it. Remember your bandy leg caught me too, going up the lane, backwards, up here. Only me no know. As me say, you is a perfect woman to me. Me no know about nobody else. I say you is a perfect woman to me.
Okay.
I don't have no problem.
You think me perfect, baby?
That to me.
That to you. Okay.
That's my views from you.
Alright, sir. Alright. If
You get me ignorant.
God forbid, and I'm not here anymore. Would you remarry?
Straight up, honey.
Yes.
I think about that every day, you know. But here my solution to that question where you ask me, you know.
Wait. Me not understand the part where you say think of that every day.
Yeah, because I can't see myself I even live without you.
Okay.
So
okay.
basically when I say, I beg God every day say, God, do take me before you take me. You can't work without her.
You can't see yourself alone without me.
Straight up.
Alright. Well, that's a good answer. But if it so happen and God forbid, I still want you to be happy. So you don't have to remarry if you don't want to, but you still need to enjoy life.
Only that's not how the thing go.
Well, I know it's not going to be like that, but I'm just saying that my wish is that you would still enjoy life. Okay?
I can enjoy life and don't remarry. Just the memories and the thoughts of you alone after you go. I want to make sure when you're in heaven, you're not rolling in your grave. I want to make sure you're happy and contented. Till me come, I even come meet you. So I now go get involved with nothing more. My kids and my grandkids them will be enough for me only. And the thoughts are where we have before you leave here.
Okay, alright, got it. So the next one is this. Have you ever thought of anybody else while me and you doing the making of thingy?
Straight up, honey.
Yes.
For me, think about something stuff better than your thing. So, me not really pass nothing or get encounter or see nothing. Where me I got think about it while me you mad man.
Okay.
And when you have
I'm just
only get me ignorance
just
now.
simple little things, simple little questions, my youth. You know, if you want some, my youth, just settle yourself, my youth.
Do your thing.
Settle yourself. Settle.
You crazy, honey? You mad?
Okay.
Think about.
Okay. So, honey, my next question to you is this: what is your greatest accomplishment?
You know what? Straight up, my greatest accomplishment was not being nothing like my father.
Okay.
I want to be a different person. Everything my father never do for me, I want my kids them forget it. So taking care of my family and my whoever spouse. So one of my greatest accomplishments was when I leave Jamaica under the sufferation and come to Canada and have a family with the family where I have here now. It's like buy a house and have a good woman side of me. And my kids, them and everything, as me say, my family, them are just everybody in my family. Because you see me love my family, me live for my family. And me there, so now me find myself can take care of my kids, them different from how I was taking care of in at the time. So,
well, I can honestly tell you this. Papa Harry, you're a damn good father.
Yeah, man,
and you take care of your kids, them, and you do everything for them, and you give them everything that you never get, because for the whole time them never walk around with their shoes without butter. So that is a damn good job you did for your children, them, Papa
Every day
Harry.
I give thanks for that still, yes.
Okay, Papa Harry. So I'm gonna move on to my next question, and my next question is this. Is there anything you hate about me and pretend that you like it because you don't want me to feel anyway?
Well, straight up, honey.
There got to be one thing you don't like where you pretend that you don't like, that you like. You want to tell me there's none?
You're nagging.
Me nagging. Okay.
Other than you're nagging.
Okay. Okay. So in what way am I nagging though, honey?
It's like...
Honey, tell me how me nagging.
Everything me do, me left that there so me move that there so is a problem. Other than that, honey, basically me not have none, but you have force up now.
No. But I'm forced to go to you.
So like yesterday, me have to give you one.
No.
I have none.
Yeah, well, you know, like there's so much thing me hate about you when me don't tell you.
As me say, my thing different from you.
Okay, all right. Well, that is good. So this is another question I want to ask you. How do you feel about me bringing you into this YouTube thing of mine?
Well,
you know, we do the YouTube and we do it for fun. I just want you to have some fun with me. How you feel about doing it and having fun with me?
See, when you ask the question,
yes.
It's like you ask the question and answer it yourself. Why me do it? Because me come have fun with you. Only it's all about fun with you. Because it's ever fun to me. And when me come in at this YouTube, remember me never like camera, you know. And when me see me come do it with you,
Okay.
you, as me say, you inspire me to do anything, everything. And nothing hard for me.
Okay. Okay, so this is a question I know. We know the viewers, the people that will love this. How many times you like 50 freaky freak a month?
A month, honey?
Yes. How much time you like to do the freaky freak for the month? How much time do you like to do the freaky freak for the month?
For the month?
Yes.
I can't even count it out.
well, to me, I
Me say at least minimum 4.
4 times for the month?
Yes.
Okay.
Give myself a week, you know,
Okay.
to recuperate and recover.
Okay.
Drink up the juice and boots up everything. So I'm ready for it. So once a week, my wife wants it once a month, and I can't work with it. Remember me, I tell you. I tell you, the first week, me hungry again. I'm not chatting me wait 3 more weeks,
Okay, Papa A. Really?
Straight up.
Straight up.
Honey.
Okay, so you have to do the freaky
What
freak.
do you mean, honey?
4 times for the month?
Yes, honey.
Well, alright, sir. Alright.
As long as the body
Okay.
love me too, 4 times I'm good to go. Every weekend, you know.
So, what me tell you, somebody been cheating on you for the past 20 years. Would you divorce me?
No, honey.
You still stay with me?
No, I'd kill you. You're not talking about divorce. Divorce what?
Hey,
Death.
Yeah, Papa I said
Oh, you mean?
it would be death.
Oh, you mean? Let
It
me
will
have
be-
a ramp them really.
Okay.
After me waste so much
So
years.
basically,
Yeah,
Papa
man.
Ari saying freak, fight, and funeral.
Oh, you mean?
Okay, remember you know?
That
Freak,
business that we are talking
freak,
about.
freak, fight, and funeral.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how Papa Ari
It's
is
too far in my life, you know, for a turn back. So I might as well just done everything.
Freak, fight, and funeral.
Oh, you mean, man?
Yeah, that is
Just
freak, fight, and funeral.
crazy.
This is another question. Do you have any number of things on a bucket list where you'd like to do before you passed away? What would you like to do? Do you have anything that you like to do before you passed away?
Okay, straight up. The only thing when me always think about still, you know, where me I say, what I like to do before me pass away.
Is what?
Me and you just travel and just have pay vacation.
Sure.
As long as we can afford
Put
it.
it. Okay.
And we relax.
Yes.
And we enjoy ourselves. Okay.
So anyway, guys, now I come to the end of the video asking Papa Harry these questions just for you to get a little more insight. And
me think them would have more hotter than
and
them
me mind.
question. But then again, nothing can happen on it, guys.
Listen, it's not done yet. There's more to come. So we can't do everything one time.
Okay.
So we do some now and then we do some later. As time goes by, there's other juicy stuff
well,
where,
that good.
you know,
Love
the
that.
one for
Love
know,
that.
where we make
Yeah.
on know, you know.
Yeah.
But for now, we are going to just deal with just these ones.
True.
So I would like you guys to thanking you guys for watching this video, and at the same time I want you guys to like it and subscribe to my channel, and you hit my post notification bell thing there. And for this video talk where we have together, me and Papa Haps, I like you to give me 20,000 likes on this video. And guys, I need you guys to watch my video, subscribe to my video, and another thing, wanna make some history on YouTube now.
True,
Make me be the first
True,
61-year-old woman to have 100K subscriber, 100,000 subscriber before the end of the year. Okay, guys? So that's it. We are.